Here we have adjacent angles, complementary angles, supplementary angles. Adjacent angles, two angles have common vertex, common side, but no interior points in common. So, like for example, we have here this one. We have, for instance, angle BAC and angle CAD. Angle BAC and angle CAD. So, see, they have common vertex, which is point A. They have common side, but no interior points in common. Next, we have complementary angles, two angles which measures 90 degrees. Like, for example, we have here this one, angle 1 and 2. This is what we call complementary angle. Next, supplementary angles, two angles which measures 180 degrees. If you see like this is what we call supplementary angles.